Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your line app. So all you have to do to fix it on app, so you just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here, and all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step here, then you just go down here to looking for line app. So just keep going down here to find your line up here, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So and you go down here, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list here and you just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store, then it's going to take you here. So you search for your line up, it's going to show for you like this. You will find there update, so just click on update and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So before I forget, so if this video helped you, so just don't forget to put like on this video. So thank you for your watching.